When the clock springs forward, all your sunlight in the morning hours disappears. But not to worry, Energizer is here to light the way up with this week's feature product, the Pro Series LED work light. This illuminating lantern is designed for the work site. It has an array of hooks and handles, so you can mount this light wherever is most optimal. It can even be mounted to a tripod. And don't worry about knocking it over either. This lamp can survive falls from 2 meters high and is IP67 dust and waterproof. There is a wide light for area coverage, shining up to a blinding 1,000 lumens, as well as a directional light on top, capable of outputting up to 400 lumens, plus a beam distance of up to 150 meters. All on a runtime up to 10 hours, more than enough to get you through the day. If that somehow isn't enough light for you, Energizer slapped on some magnets on the sides, letting you daisy chain multiple lanterns together. And since tablets and smartphones are common tools in the workplace now, Energizer included some on-board charging ports, letting the internal rechargeable battery work double duty as both a work light and a power bank, so you can keep all your devices topped off and ready to go. But oh crap! After charging my phone, the light is now dead, and there's no power on site. But come on, this is Energizer we're talking about. Just open up the battery compartment, toss in 3 AA's, and let there be light. So let's illuminate the worksite and stay charged up with this week's feature product, the Pro Series LED work light from Energizer. What's your go-to work light solution? Tell us about it in the comments, and make sure to subscribe to stay up to date with all the latest feature products. Have a great Canadian day.